Hi, this is Sumit Krishnan from IndiaDroneAcademy. Today, let's explore how drones are currently being used in construction and architecture industries to reshape the way we build and design. Imagine you are having a bird's eye view of a construction site without leaving your place. Drones have restructured this method of site survey by providing accurate and real-time data to the architects and engineers. From the groundbreaking phase to the finishing touches, drones can track the progress of construction projects with precision. But that's not all. Drones are taking 3D modeling to new heights. Using the advanced sensors and cameras, they can create accurate 3D models of buildings and structures. Let's compare the traditional surveying and drone surveying. In the past, surveying involved manual measurements, and it used to be a very lengthy process. However, drones are changing that by reducing surveying time and improving the accuracy. Architects and engineers can analyze drone-generated data to take important decisions. They can identify the potential issues much early and ensure projects stay on the track. So whether it's capturing breathtaking visuals, tracking the progress, or aiding in 3D modeling, drones are enhancing the construction and architecture in ways we never thought possible. Stay tuned for more exciting videos like this. Thank you.